everybody, I'm Romel and I swim lane 3, usually. I love the team because they're great people, of course, and I just love everybody, and I love the parties, and I love everybody. So thank you for being here, and thank you for everything.
Hi, I'm Victoria Stagg-Elliott, proud member of the Chicago Smelts. I swam with the Chicago Smelts from 2000 to 2005, returned to the team in 2010. I love swimming with the Smelts because it keeps me physically active. I love the great people I meet in my lane. I love swimming with lane 1, or the cocktail lane. And, you know, it's just a great team, and it's welcome to all, even the slowest swimmer on the team. All right.
Hello, it's Lavender from lane 3. This will be my 3rd year on the Smelts. I love it because it's like a family, and it's not really about the swim, it's about the good time and encouragement of everybody, and we have fun.
I joined the Chicago Smelts in summer of 2007, and it was one of the first gay and lesbian organizations I had been a part of. And so the people on the team are some of the first gay and lesbian friends I've ever had. And you know, I've stuck with it because I love swimming, I love the feel of the water, and it's been a great group of friends for 6 years now.